Spleen 4 is located on the inside of your foot. To locate spleen 4 on your right foot, find the base of your great toe right here. And on a skeleton, it's right over here. Now move your finger along the bone till you come to a little knob right over here. Now press into the spot that is just a little bit lower than that under the bone, right about here. Find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is spleen 4. Activate spleen 4 by rubbing it 5 times quickly. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate spleen 4 on your left side.